storm rolls in, the sky turns gray, the fields are drowning in the rain today. But there's a whisper, soft and low, through the wind it says you're not alone.
When the night feels endless
and your strength is wearing thin,
hold on to the light, it'll guide you through. When the shadows fall and hope feels bruised, though the road is rough and the climb is steep, faith will carry you. Just believe. Hold on to the light. Hold on to the light.
the river's high, the bridge washed out, the journey's hard, full of fear and doubt.
But there's a promise written in the stars. Every tear will heal your scars.
When the valley feels so wide
And the mountains seem too tall, hold on to the light,
it'll guide you through. When the shadows fall and hope feels bruised, though the road is rough and the climb is steep, faith will carry you. Just